Yo, what is going on guys? In this video tutorial I will show you how you can get more SimCash for SimCity game. As you can see right here, I've got the modded version of SimCity on my device, on my iPhone, but it is also working for any Android devices. So stay with me till the end of this video and you will learn how to get more SimCash for SimCity game. So right now I will open the game and I will show you how it works. So stay with me and you will learn how to get more SimCash for SimCity BuildIt game. So as you can see, I've got this SimCash already, but to get more I need to spend. So let's spend some SimCash right now. Maybe here. Okay, I don't have this item, and right now I've got the 5th layer. So when I click on here, I've got one more. So the more I spend, the more I get. So let's spend it 6 right here, and I got 6 more of SimCash. So that is how this mode works. So I can get more and more SimCash with this modded version of SimCity BuildIt. And I can do this all the time. So that the mode works, and to get it you need to go to this website tweakvalley.top. Go to this website as you can see right here and search for SimCity BuildIt mode. Click on here, select your device, mine is iOS, and this is the site once again, tweakvalley.top. I don't need to download it again as I already have it on my device, but this is how you can get more SimCash for SimCity game. So thanks for watching guys, subscribe to my channel and bye.